Welcome back, second graders. Here we are at Number Corner. Again, I'm Mrs. Judd. We're going to go over our calendar. We're going to go over our class collection. We're at 5 minutes. Actually, we get to roll dice, so we don't even know how many minutes we're collecting today. And then we're going to go over our array. If you guys look at the wall, it's missing, but I'll show you in a minute. And then I have one last thing. We're going to talk about odd and even numbers. And I just have a different way of showing you. And it comes back to the pattern that we've been trying to establish in our calendar. Okay, let's get started. We are in the month of October. We are in the year of 2020. We are Wednesday today, so I get to come all the way down to Wednesday. Let's go ahead and turn over Tuesdays. And what would you guys predict is going to happen for Wednesday? We've had black and white, color, color, black and white, color, color, black and white. You read it's not going to be a black and white. It's going to be some type of color. Is it going to be right side up? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, it might be upside down. Let's see. It is upside down. Nice job, you guys. That was really good thinking. And it's definitely not black and white. And it looks exactly like that one, just straight up and down. So, they're pinnate. They're both pinnates. And it's upside down. Okay, let me record. We'll call that one red. Kind of like number 14. What did we call? Yep, we called 14 red. Okay, let's do our class collection. Let me get our dice. I'm going to come to the table and roll our dice and see how many minutes we get to collect. Not 0 minutes. 4 groups of 5. So 4 groups of 5. Let's use this to double check. And we're going to go all the way to the number 4. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Good job, you guys. Okay, yesterday we were at 3 o'clock and 10 minutes after, so we're at 3:10. Now we get to add 4 groups of 5. So we're going to be going 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's double check. We're at 3:10. Keep that 3. 5, 10, 15, 20. Nice. Bring that back and I'll figure out on our big clock in a minute. So that took us to 3:30. And I get to come and record 4 wedges. Okay, our clock looks like it's at 3:30. We filled in all of our wedges. Our digital clock says 3:30. Let's see where the hour hand goes on our big clock. 5, 10, 15, 20. Ooh, it's about halfway. So let me adjust our wall clocks. We get to bring the minute all the way down. We get to bring the hour about halfway. And we're about halfway. Nice job, you guys. Thank you for helping. Okay. Now we'll get to do this next step. And here is for the day. I had to borrow this one for the next project, so I went around the classroom and I found something that could take our tiles. And I already went and did them. Today is the 28th, so help me count. We're going to count by twos first because there's two colors and I can go down the row and count by twos. And we're trying to get to 28. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8. 10, 10, 8. 10, 18, 28. Excuse me, 10, 28. I don't know where the 18 came from. Okay, so I get to record. I didn't count to see how many in just one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 is a doubles fact of 28. Sorry, you guys have to turn just a tad bit there. And by looking at our tiles, was it even or odd? Good, even. I'm glad you guys are noticing that. Because that takes us into our next activity. And I'm going to put my chart here, and then I'll put our tiles back up on the wall. Okay, while I put this up, I want you guys to look and try to decide, what did I write? What is my information about? Where did I get that information? Looking on our wall, black and white leaves and upside down leaves. So I went through and I wrote all the times that we had a black and white leaf and all the times that we had an upside down leaf. And then I came and I made them into an array. So our black and white leaves are on top. Our upside down leaves are on the bottom. What do you guys notice about the pattern on top? Ooh, I like that. I heard a whole bunch of people here say it's an odd number. Because look, we have one extra. Where this one is completely even. 2 rows all the way across, they are even. This top row is odd. But then if you really look at it, I do have some even numbers in here. So sometimes the odd numbers added together will make an even number. I want to use one of these numbers that have shown up a couple times on both of our charts, and I want to show you all the different equations for that number. So I'm going to pick 12 because 12 pops up on both of my arrays. I'm going to slide all the rest of this so we can just look at the 12. So the first way I could write the equation 12, I'll borrow my chair again, is let's look at that top. I see 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 and then my bottom one, I see 4 plus 4 plus 4. So there's another way to write 12. These are addition sentences, but I can also do a multiplication sentence using what I see up there and what I see here. So I have 3 and I have 4 of them. So we can write 3 times 4 equals 12. And the same with the 4. This is an addition problem, but we can easily turn it into a multiplication problem. We can do 4 and we see it 3 times. Let's see, looking back up at our tiles, ooh, I see another way. I can make 12. I can do 6 and 6.
Picture set up.
And so if we follow that same logic, I can do 6 times 2. Okay, so there is one way that I did not write down, so that's going to be your comment to the teacher tonight. It's not 3, it's not 4, it's not 6. There's another way to write 12 in repeat addition. So I'd like to see if you guys can come up with it. Okay, so that's one of our comment questions today. Let's have you guys tell the teacher how many minutes we collected today. So we collected 4 groups of 5, which was 20 minutes. So 20 minutes, and write the addition problem that I did not write. Okay, you guys, I will see you later. Bye, second graders.